Good morning. Welcome to ABC Trader. This is Mike. I'm going to be doing another recording here really quickly. I'm going to see what's going to happen in the markets right now on the educational purposes only. All forms of trading carry high level of risk. So you should only speculate with the money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiar side without the risk involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government requires disclaimer. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in options, futures, and stock markets, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, let's get into it and see how the market is performing today. Let's go to trade here. Transition. Go. Wrong one. Sorry, my apologies, guys. Let's transition. Okay. So, what I'm going to be looking for right now, it's kind of volatile. But let's see what happens. We're at 841 to 848. We're just breaking. Let me see here. No, we're not. Oh, we did. Missed that one. And what we're doing is we're just trying to break out of... We have to break this zone here. Once we start breaking this zone, I'll feel a little bit more comfortable. I have a feeling they had this initial jobs report sell-off. So that could be their impulse move to go up to sell again. That could be banker's candle. We don't know. We actually are in positive territory, which is a good thing. What we can do, we know we're going to get up to here. So I'm going to buy bid. Let's just do it. And what we should do is, let's see if we can get into this area. So we're already at 13 points, 14, 15. Let's see if we can get there. So I'm going to go a sell MIT. We'll just go right under where that resistance was. And hopefully we can get 15, 20 points. 23, let's close it. Boom. Well, there you go, $400 in your bank account. Just like that. Market is very, very volatile. So, yeah, so you finally hit that mark. And so we're already at 0.5 in the market. So with this jobs report, they offloaded it. They come back in here. If they start breaking this zone, then we know we can continue on. Right now we are... Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. Let's transition to the next trade live laptop. Boom. Okay. So all week we've been going down, and I was looking at this candle originally. Jobs report just exploded. I was actually looking for a trade up here when I saw the price action explode for the reversal. Went to negative territory right to, guess what? Market maker, guys. Bounces up, 839 signal, came back in, but now we watch here. This is a major support and resistance. It tapped once, twice so far. Once it breaks through, and we're really early in the morning, we can go to 1529 if it breaks through here. We'll see if there's any major snapback reaction because we got 48.52. The only thing I don't like is two sell-off candles in a row from 857 to 901. So you can see the resistance, price action resistance has come in. We do have a buy signal. That was the alarm. But This is what I was worried about. Price action, alarm just hit, just saying for breakout, pull back down. We had a really strong snapback here. So it should, on this pattern, it should come down, maybe retest and go again. We don't know yet. This also could be banker's candle for a major sell-off. So we really have to watch what's happening here. And as you can see, look how crazy it was. Big sell-off on jobs report, came back down, tested the volume point of control, broke through volume point of control, 70% right to market maker and bounce up. That's why I love my market maker line. Once I see an aggressive sell-off, it starts breaking down, I watch. If not, let it come down, take it, bounce it back up. And unfortunately, I didn't take it because my computer was doing funny things at the time. That's why I'm still doing live recordings. Everything else is showing the market is performing. Look at this. YM is exploding up, so this is a good thing. That kind of, these are giving us cheaters of how the market's going to perform. So this thing is still exploding up, which is a good thing. So we have to watch on the NASDAQ side until she breaks this line. Once it breaks this line, we probably go to the next support and resistance, etc., etc., etc. So let them play with this price action until they're done here. We'll see what happens at 8:48 to see if it's a fail signal. If not, it's a continuation. And other than that, I already made my quota this morning before even the market started. So other than that, I'm going to shut down this video, upload it. Just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe. I am looking for a buy-in today, guys, if you're going to still be trading. If it does do a quick sell-off, let's see if it just retests the zone for continuation. Okay, guys, just pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day.